Hi, I'm Deputy Forester Trevor Moore, LA County Fire Department. We're going to look at a house today in Calabasas and do a home hardening inspection. This is where we'll look at houses to try to harden the home against ember cast in case of a wildland fire. Our focus was on hardening of the home and the 0 to 5 feet to the structure. But you must consider maintaining the landscape beyond the 5 feet. 5 feet to 30, 30 to 60, and 60 to beyond. We must make sure that it's maintained and clean of any dead vegetation.